as a confidence building measure, uh, so that in this very challenging situation and times that the state of Manipur is in, we can also reassure the public of what all the police department, along with the CAPF, that is the BSF, the CRPF, the Assam Rifle, and even the army, and along with the cooperation of the various public also, and also the civil administration is trying and round the clock and trying to bring some form of normalcy and a way back to a peaceful kind of a situation. So at the same time, we want to give some statistics about the various things that have occurred so far. That is regarding dead 175 and injured 1,108, missing 32, arson case 5,172. This includes like sometimes one whole village is burned, then each house will be considered a case of arson, and accordingly also sometimes now though we have amalgamated them, each cases of a house burning is considered a separate FIR, and that's how we initially had a lot of FIR also. And then regarding the houses that are burned is 4,786. We combined together with the religious structure, that is 386, out of which 254 churches and 132 temples were vandalized or affected by arson. Regarding the arms and ammunition that were lost, we have recovered 1,329 arms, 15,050 ammunitions, and 400 bombs. We have bound down under preventive arrest 37,286 persons during this entire crisis. Right now the convoy movement is moving smoothly on National Highway 37, and as just briefed by our IG Zone 3 Nishik, National Highway 2 also has been opened from today. It has been moving gradually from few days before also, but today there is the volume has increased, and we have destroyed 360 bunkers. And as per the latest inputs from IG Zone 2 Kabib, today the various barricades that were there from Hokapchao Ikai to Kambai, those all have been removed, and we'll be sharing you the photographs of the completely cleared, smooth roads that was taken today. We'll be sharing with you. So those barricades were issued in the last week and all those things, but somehow with the initiative of the SP Bishnupur and under the guidance of the concerned IGP and the cooperation of all the security forces deployed there, all the barricades has been removed from Hokapchao Ikai to Kangmai. This is the update that we want to give. So these are all the things that we want to give as update for today. Complaint has been there. We are fully aware of the complaint. So every 15 days we are having a joint inspection of all the SU camps, and we are noting down those who are present and those who are absent from the camp. So those people who are absent, the government is looking into ways of how to deal with it. But first of all, we are trying to identify how many people are present in the SU camps and who are not in the SU camps. So this exercise we are doing every 15 days. This is one very unfortunate happening which has created a lot of insecurity after the loss of so many weapons from the police armory. So now for this one of the main measures that we are now taking up is that we are setting up police nakas on very crucial areas. We'll be setting up checkposts on the roads, and we'll be checking them. And we'll be checking also the gypsies, where usually normally the miscreants used to utilize, along with other SUVs and all those things, so that a more orderly kind of a secure feeling is there among the whole public. So these are the things which we are trying to increasingly perform in Imphal area as well as all the valley areas. That effort has been ongoing. Whenever it is possible, we have been doing combined operations with the help of CAPF and Army and Assam Rifles, and we have been seizing all the illegal weapons.
I would just like to substantiate what IG sir has said, that even in the hills we have intensified. Even for the figure of Kofi, 62 arms have been seized. So this is an ongoing process and trying to increase this intensity. And so far the sir has said about this checking the movement of the armed miscreant in the valley, in and around area also. So we have a joint checkpost have been created. It's basically a combined consisting of CAPF and civil police. And we are taking the help of all the possible stakeholders to stop the movement and contain this.